Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The ABAC MONTECARLO QUIETE OS20 compressor is an electric model from the OS series, developed to significantly reduce sound emissions during operation. It features a 2-horsepower electric motor with an air intake capacity of 230 liters per minute. The maximum pressure it can reach is 9 bars. The compressed air tank has a capacity of 50 liters, while the oil-free structure eliminates the need for lubrication, simplifying maintenance procedures. The sound emission during use is 65 decibels, which allows it to be used indoors or in shared spaces without generating excessive noise. The total weight of the compressor is 36 kilograms. The integrated top handle and the 2 attachable wheels make it easy to move the unit, even on uneven surfaces or in confined workspaces. Its construction features make it suitable for hobby activities that require low noise levels and prolonged operating autonomy. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.